Scene 1. Studio microphone narration. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence actually works? Scene 2. Studio microphone narration. You hear about AI in everything, from ChatGPT to self-driving cars, but what's going on behind the scenes? Scene 3. Studio microphone narration. At its core, AI is about teaching machines to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Scene 4. Studio microphone narration. It starts with data. Tons of it. AI systems learn from examples, just like you did when learning to ride a bike. Scene 5. Studio microphone narration. Machine learning is a key part of AI. It's the process where algorithms learn patterns from data and get better over time. Scene 6. Studio microphone narration. For example, an AI can be trained to recognize cats by analyzing thousands of images, eventually spotting cats on its own. Scene 7. Studio microphone narration. Deep learning is a more advanced form of machine learning. It uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. Scene 8. Studio microphone narration. These networks allow AI to perform complex tasks like understanding language, translating speech, or creating art. Scene 9. Studio microphone narration. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. That's why AI improves over time. Scene 10. Closing, studio microphone narration. So the next time you use Siri, Google, or ChatGPT, now you know what's going on behind the magic. Final CTA scene. Studio microphone narration. Want to keep leveling up your understanding of AI in 3 minutes or less? Subscribe to Level Up now for weekly tech explainers, simplified.